Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Will from Pro Vinyl, and this week we have in the Shelby GT350R with us. As you can see, it's currently in a few bits. There's obviously grills missing off the bonnet, off the wing, mirror caps, and also the strip on the boot. The reason for this is because it is literally just come back, well, I say literally, about 4 weeks ago it came back from having a full paint job at Prestige Parkway, and now that it's had a bit of chance to gas off and the paint to set, we're going to PPF it this week, which is paint protection film. We're going to be doing it in a gloss finish to maintain the look of that amazing paintwork, and also, as well as that, we're going to be PPFing the gloss black details, the main bits of the paint. And what's pretty cool about this car is that the stripes that have been put on the car aren't actually stripe decals, they are painted. So that's pretty cool, which looks awesome. As much as you can't tell from the video, it is very cool in person. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and we look forward to what happens this week. Whilst we've got you guys, just before we get cracking with the paint protection film and the preparation, this car is not standard. If anyone knows the owner, Jordan, he does not keep his car standard. It's got Whipple superchargers, it's 950 brake horsepower, manual, rear wheel drive, and also left hand drive, so it is a handful. It is absolutely mental. He's got some serious cars, this guy, and he does not keep them stock. We're going to hopefully be getting out with Jordan after this is all complete. He's going to hopefully take us out in the car and wait till you hear this thing. It is probably the loudest car I've ever heard. It is mental. Well as the Mustang this week, sorry, Shelby I should say. Jordan gets a bit wound up when I call it Mustang. We are also wrapping Dimitri's Porsche Cayenne S, which is currently in gloss black, and it is going to be wrapped in a very cool silver. First things first, Brad is going to start with the preparation of the paint.
Yes, we're just going to give it a single stage machine polish just to get rid of any light swirl marks that are in the paint, just to make it ready for PPF.
Awesome, let's get cracking. Some of you might be wondering why we are machine polishing a car that has just been painted. The reason for that is we're just giving the lacquer a final little cut to make sure it is perfect before the PPF is applied. Brad's obviously just going to do a quick stage one just to bring it up and make it nice and glossy. Right, we're upstairs with the plotter. We're going to be cutting all the PPF for the Shelby. We're about to cut, what have we got here, Brad? Front bumper, back bumper, back bumper and headlights. So yeah, let's get it all cut. Quick update on the Porsche Cayenne. Currently stripped down, all the trims off, handles off, bumpers. Car's being prepped. So guys, it's Tuesday morning and most of the kit for the Shelby has been cut. The front end is done, so Brad and Dimitri are going to crack on with that whilst the plotter is doing his thing upstairs. So yeah, obviously I'm going to show you guys now some of the PPF being fitted to the front bumper. See how the boys are getting on with the Porsche Cayenne S. I know they've laid the bonnet and they're currently fitting the front wing.
again.
Hello, mate.
As well this week, guys, we're also working on a brand new 911 Turbo S, which is having paint protection film. Like I say, it's brand new from the factory, so that's going to be pretty cool.
That's Mamba, boy.
That is the Porsche 911 Turbo S complete. So thank you very much to Lee, the owner. We really appreciate his business. As you can see, it looks awesome. Obviously, the thing with PPF is that the car does look the same, but now it's protected, it self-heals, it's all ready to drive, and you don't need to worry about it. Jordan has just got here to collect the car, and so we're just going to give it a quick rev for you. As I was saying earlier in the video, this car sounds mental, so have a listen to this. So we've finished the Shelby GT350R paint protection film. It's sat pretty here now waiting for Jordan to come and collect it. As well as the PPF, we've also ceramic coated it, tinted the windows as well, and added a few little decals which he supplied us. It looks absolutely awesome, and now it's ready to go. Obviously, if you don't know what paint protection film is, it's a clear self-healing film that's used to primarily prevent stone chips, scratches, and also self-heals. So if you do want to get booked in for your own car, give us a shout. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in more videos.